Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through common maintenance for your Roborock Qrevo S dock here. So how do you take care of the station the best? I'll walk you through that in this video. If you're interested in the Qrevo S or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So starting at the top, we have our dirty and clean water tanks. Highly recommend getting warm water, dish detergent, things like that, and occasionally rinsing them out. I also like to leave a little bit of dish detergent in here at the bottom. It helps prevent some of that odor buildup if you leave this for multiple days without emptying it. So every once in a while, take the clean and dirty water tank and give them a nice thorough clean. Again, warm water, detergent. You'll be glad that you did. Nothing else to do here up at the top. You can keep an eye on the inside. If there's any water or moisture buildup, you can wipe that down. And these inlets here, you can check on those for any sort of debris or residue. But very, very simple and straightforward there. Then moving right along towards the center here, we have our vacuum bag. So when it's full, obviously you're going to want to swap that out and put a new one in. And you can keep an eye on the inside here for any dirt or dust that's built up. You can always wipe that away or use compressed air. So that's the vacuum bag there. Just keep an eye on that for when it's full. And then down at the bottom, usually on stations like this, you have a lot more work to do than you have with this one because Roborock so graciously gave us a removable tray that we can easily wash, rinse, dry, and then reinstall. And the off chance you notice any other residue down here, it will be few and far between, but very easy to grab just like a wet wipe and clean that out. You can keep an eye on the channels here for any debris buildup. You can look at the sensor here to wipe down as well as the charging contacts to make sure everything is functioning properly. And then lastly, the ramp, if you notice any dirt or debris built up on this, it's removable. So you can go ahead and you can just rinse that out under the sink as well. So overall, thanks to this guy right here, there's really not much to do on here beside occasionally rinsing these out, swapping your vacuum bag, wiping down some sensors and contacts, and keeping up to date on getting this nice and clean.